Welcome to a family art workshop presented by WheatonArts. Today we are going to be creating a flying paper helicopter using a few household materials. The required materials include one sheet of cardstock, a pair of scissors, a paper clip, an optional ruler, and markers or crayons for optional decorating. Begin by cutting out a rectangle that measures 6 inches tall by 2 inches wide, and don't worry if your measurements aren't exact because this is a great chance to experiment with different sizes. And after completing this step, you can decorate your rectangle with markers or crayons if you wish to do so. Next, we are going to make the top slit by making a straight cut down the middle of the top shorter end of our rectangle. This cut is about 3 inches long and will form the two blades of your helicopter. Now we are going to add the side cuts by cutting 2 small slits about halfway down our rectangle. These cuts are a little bit less than 1 inch in length and will help create the body folds of our helicopter. And make sure to leave a small gap in between these 2 cuts and the cut at the top of the rectangle. Then fold the bottom section under your side cuts inwards so that the 2 sides overlap slightly. Then fold the very bottom of this section up once to create a small flap and slide a paper clip onto it. And finally, fold one of the flaps at the top of your helicopter forward and the other one backward to create your spinning blades. Test it out by holding the paper helicopter above your head and dropping it. The paper clip adds weight to your helicopter and helps it stay upright and also spin as it falls. Thank you for joining us, and please be sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel.